In this evening's health report, Shamela Mitchell looks at cervical cancer, a deadly disease that's linked to the human papilloma virus.
Health report. Cervical cancer is an illness that affects what's called the neck of the womb. According to gynecologist and obstetrician Dr. Abigail Crichton, cervical cancer can be deadly. What's worse is that the condition does not present with signs and symptoms in its early stages.
So stage 1 would be your cancers or your lesions that are very small. They're just confined to the cervix. And so you find even in some of those lesions, you don't actually see a mass, but you see the cervical changes on the surface of the cervix. Of course, as it increases in size and in depth, and then as it extends to involve the vaginal walls, the uterus itself, the stage will go up. And then when it starts to move out of the uterus itself and go into the pelvic structures involving like the bladder or the rectum, the stage would advance probably to a stage 3. And then when it starts to involve the distant organs, now we talk about metastasis. So it involves the lungs, the bones, areas, the liver, areas like that, we would have reached stage 4.
Various strains of the human papilloma virus, HPV, a sexually transmitted infection, play a role in causing most cervical cancer. However, other contributing factors include smoking and poor nutrition. Dr. Crichton says even though the cancer is the second highest in women after breast cancer, the figures can be much higher. But there's a limitation in how Jamaica collects data. And so what you find is that most of the figures tend to reflect what happens in the urban areas.
So Kingston and St. Andrew, and so probably not very reflective in the other parishes. What I do know is in our rural parishes, the numbers tend to be higher than what we'll see in urban areas. Have we seen an overall increase? I cannot speak to that, but the numbers in and of itself being the second highest cancer of women, that to me just suggests its importance and that it's something that needs to be tackled.
Treatment depends on the stage of the cancer. This includes surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. But Dr. Crichton says the disease can be deadly if not detected in its early stages.
It is one of the cancers, if caught early, is very responding to treatment. And so that's another thing we find a lot of patients on diagnosis, the fear factor is there, and then you find that they stay away. And so we always encourage patients, even though you get a pap smear result from your clinic or your private doctor that it says they're seeing some abnormality, come to the hospital, go to your gynecologist, because treatment in the early stage is curative.
Also, practice safe sex, don't smoke, and get vaccinated against HPV. With a health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health report.